Here's a comprehensive look at 20 foods to stockpile that never expire, ensuring you have a reliable food supply that remains safe and nutritious over the years. Food 1. Honey, the immortal elixir. Honey's enduring shelf life is a marvel of nature's design. Its low moisture content and high acidity create a hostile environment for microbial growth, while its natural antioxidants contribute to its longevity and medicinal properties, from soothing sore throats to healing wounds. Historically revered in numerous cultures for its health benefits and sweetness, honey's crystallization is a natural process that does not affect its quality. Gently warming crystallized honey can restore its smooth consistency, making it a perpetually valuable commodity in any pantry. Food 2. Salt, the ancient preserver. Salt's role in food preservation predates recorded history, with its ability to inhibit bacterial growth, making it indispensable in culinary traditions worldwide. Beyond its preservative qualities, salt is a fundamental flavor enhancer, critical in baking, cooking, and food preservation processes like curing and pickling. Stored away from moisture, its crystalline structure remains unaltered indefinitely, providing a bridge to the culinary wisdom of the ages. Food 3. Sugar, the sweet constant. Sugar, whether granulated, powdered, or in cubes, shares salt's hygroscopic nature, drawing moisture away from bacteria and thus deterring their proliferation. This characteristic, combined with proper storage in airtight containers, ensures sugar's place as a timeless sweetening agent. Its role in food preservation, particularly in jams and jellies, and as a staple in baking, underscores its enduring utility. Food 4. White rice, the perpetual grain. White rice's exclusion of fats present in its whole grain counterparts grants it an extended shelf life when stored under optimal conditions. Cool, dry, and airtight, a staple in diverse culinary traditions. Its versatility and caloric importance have made it a cornerstone of food security across civilizations, capable of lasting for decades without loss of nutritional value. Food 5. Dried beans, the legacy legumes. Dried beans have been a dietary staple for millennia, valued for their protein content and versatility. Their longevity is ensured by their low moisture content, which, when coupled with airtight storage, renders them impervious to the decay that affects their fresh counterparts. The rich tapestry of bean varieties offers a wealth of nutritional and culinary options, from soups and stews to salads and sides. Food 6. Pure maple syrup, nature's timeless sweetener. Maple syrup, tapped from the sap of maple trees and concentrated through boiling, is a natural sweetener with an indefinite shelf life when unopened and stored in cool, dark conditions. Its antimicrobial properties, due to high sugar content, ensure its preservation. Revered by indigenous peoples of North America and celebrated in Canadian and Northeastern American cultures, maple syrup remains a versatile ingredient in both savory and sweet dishes. Food 7. Instant coffee, the everlasting brew. The convenience of instant coffee, born from the freeze-drying process, captures the essence of coffee in a form that remains unaltered indefinitely if kept in unopened, airtight containers. This method of preservation makes instant coffee a reliable, quick source of caffeine and comfort, echoing coffee's storied history as a globally traded commodity and staple of morning routines. Food 8. Hard liquors, the eternal spirits. Distilled spirits such as whiskey, vodka, rum, and tequila boast indefinite shelf lives due to their high alcohol content, which acts as a natural preservative. These beverages, deeply intertwined with cultural rituals and social gatherings, mature with age but never spoil, offering a link to the art and science of distillation that spans cultures and centuries. Food 9. White vinegar, the perpetual acid. White vinegar's acetic acid content makes it a culinary staple with endless shelf life and a multifunctional agent used in cooking, cleaning, and food preservation. Its role in pickling, a method of preservation that dates back thousands of years, underscores vinegar's importance in extending the life of perishable goods and enhancing flavors in cuisines worldwide. Food 10. Cornstarch, the unending thickener. Cornstarch, derived from the endosperm of corn kernels, serves as a timeless thickening agent for sauces, gravies, and desserts. Its resistance to spoilage, provided it's kept in airtight containers away from moisture, makes cornstarch a reliable pantry staple for culinary precision and creativity. Food 11. Dried pasta, the infinite canvas. The invention of dried pasta, with its indefinite shelf life, represents a milestone in food preservation, transforming fresh pasta's perishable simplicity into a durable staple. Its resilience, when stored properly, free from moisture and pests, offers a canvas for a myriad of culinary creations, reflecting pasta's evolution and enduring presence in global cuisine. Food 12. Ghee, clarified tradition. Ghee clarified butter is a staple in South Asian cuisines and Ayurvedic medicine, celebrated for its rich flavor and nutritional benefits. The clarification process removes milk solids and water, extending its shelf life indefinitely when stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Ghee's high smoke point and nutritional profile, rich in vitamins A and E, make it a versatile and healthful fat for cooking and medicinal use. Food 13. Soy sauce, the ageless condiment. Soy sauce, a product of fermentation, benefits from a high salt concentration that ensures its preservation. This staple of East Asian cuisine, with its complex flavor profile of umami, sweetness, and saltiness, remains unchanged over time when stored properly, continuing to enhance dishes with its deep, rich notes. Food 14. Dried lentils, the eternal pulse. Dried lentils, like dried beans, boast an impressive shelf life due to their low moisture content. A vital source of protein, fiber, and nutrients, lentils have sustained human populations for millennia. Their quick cooking time and versatility make them an indispensable resource in the pantry, ready to nourish with hearty soups, salads, and side dishes. Food 15. Bouillon cubes, concentrated flavor forever. Bouillon cubes, the concentrated essence of flavor, remain a quick and convenient way to impart depth to soups, stews, and sauces. Their dehydrated nature and high salt content protect them from spoilage, ensuring they remain ready to use at a moment's notice, bridging culinary traditions and providing a foundation for flavorful cooking. Food 16. Tea, the brew beyond time. Tea, cherished for its soothing qualities and rich antioxidant content, transcends its best-by date with proper storage. The ritual of tea drinking, spanning cultures and centuries, continues unimpeded by time, with tea's flavors evolving but its essence enduring, offering a cup of comfort and connection. Food 17. Powdered milk, dairy without decay. Powdered milk, with its removed moisture content, provides an essential source of calcium, vitamin D, and protein, capable of lasting indefinitely in airtight storage. Its utility in cooking, baking, or reconstituted as liquid milk ensures that the nutritional benefits of milk are always within reach, even when fresh dairy is not available. Food 18. Cocoa powder, the eternal chocolate. Unsweetened cocoa powder, essential for baking and creating rich chocolate beverages, maintains its quality over time. Its preservation, ensuring the pleasure of chocolate in various forms, speaks to cocoa's revered status in human culture as a source of delight and sustenance. Food 19. Dried spices and herbs, the flavor that lasts. Dried spices and herbs, while they may lose potency, never spoil, continuing to imbue dishes with their distinctive flavors and aroma. The art of drying and storing these botanicals connects us to ancient practices of medicine and cuisine, where spices and herbs were valued for their culinary, medicinal, and preservative power. Food 20. Hard grains, sustenance set in stone. Hard grains, including wheat berries, millet, and buckwheat, when stored in conditions free from moisture and pests, serve as a bulwark against hunger. These grains, foundational to human civilization, offer not just sustenance, but the promise of renewal, ground into flour for bread, cooked whole for nourishing meals, or sprouted for added nutrition.